Have you ever wondered how quickly life can change, especially for someone in the spotlight? Picture this: a renowned weather presenter used to reporting the beach conditions in Australia and suddenly finds himself in the midst of the Olympic excitement in Paris. Luke Bradnam, a familiar face on the Australian coast, has made waves by stepping in for Colin Jost at the U.S. surfing coverage for the 2024 Olympics. In an unexpected turn of events, Luke received a call saying, "Colin can't make it. Would you cover for him? It was a chance to shine on a global stage." And Colin Jost, the comedic talent and husband of Scarlett Johansson, had been enjoying the sandy beaches of Tahiti while hosting NBC's Olympic broadcasts. But with a sudden need to return home, the weather maestro found himself diving into the role at the last minute. Luke quickly adapted, knowing he had a live audience to entertain. He shared his reaction. What the FK? Sure. He couldn't believe he was now presenting segments that the audience was just getting to know him from second. Everyone played himself even before he seemed every night of the second to be gaving. As he navigated his way through coverage, Luke wondered how his thick Aussie accent would be received by American viewers. Would they appreciate his charm, or would it leave them in stitches of confusion? This humorous introspection added a layer of excitement to his debut. And for those captivated by the Olympic spirit, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling updates. Well, after I saw everyone rode, argued to appreciate community, species in Paris, the first time I'm in United, going up this view, again foot against coral, resulting in some unexpected battle scars. In true Joe's fashion, he joked about his predicament, posting a photo of his bandaged toes with witty remarks about his experience. As Luke embraces his new role, he collaborates with his crew, ready to make Olympic surfing coverage memorable. His misadventures and candid humor will keep viewers engaged while Colin contemplates his future, hosting a new spin-off of Jeopardy! And with this shift in hosts, viewers can expect a refreshing take on the surfing scene, filled with quirky anecdotes and spontaneous moments. As we tune in, let's hope Luke's charm resonates with audiences and keeps them entertained all weekend long. Speaking of sports mishaps, why did the surfer bring a ladder to the beach? Because he heard the waves were high. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.